Yes, good afternoon, everyone. So we have a lots of people. Rajiv, Saurav, Amrit, Suraj, and Ankit have joined. So today's topic of group discussion is ban of Chinese app in India. As we know that just 1 year before, on 29th of July, Indian government have banned several apps on the pretext of that it may hamper our security, it may hamper the security of the citizens of India. So what happens in 15th of June 2020, there is a clash between the Indian security forces and the Chinese security forces on the Chinese border, in which lots of Indian personals were lost his life. So after that, there is a huge tension between the India and China at the East Ladakh border, and finally the government banned several apps. So using the section 69A of uh, information uh, IT Act 2020. So it happens mainly after the due to the rising tension between the India and China at the border. So nearly 118, or it may be more. I don't have an exact figure. So uh, more than 100 apps were banned. Some of the apps were very famous at millions of the user, such as PUBG, Share It, CAM scanner, etc., which were widely used. Even we are using, there is a browser, UC browser, which is second most used browser in the India after the Google Chrome. So many of the browsers app were banned. So there is a positive effect and the negative effect of the banning of Chinese apps in India. My voice is clear, Rajiv?
Yes, clear.
Yes,
Continue.
yes, thank you. So the question arises, why Indian government have banned these few apps? So the first reason behind the banning of app is the to ensure security and the safety of the Indian citizen. As we know that the Chinese is a little bit interested to fetch data from the foreign country using illegal way. Previously, America also banned the drone of the China's. So China what do? The most of the drones used in America were imported from the Chinese. So as the drones have many features, so the government decided to banning of the Chinese drone in America because it may threat to his security. Yes. So the first reason behind banning of the Chinese app to ensure safety and security of the Indian citizens. Second is as we are aligning to the Atmanirbhar Bharat. So, uh, so, uh, so by banning, we can reduce our app using dependency on foreign app. Means reduce India's dependence on the foreign app. As we have banned several apps, just after banning, there is a boom of Indian apps, which such as document scanner, and so on. Chingari app in place of TikTok, etc. So this is generally a gift to the Atmanirbhar Bharat and promote a startup culture in the India in the software field. So these are some points uh, due to which that lies in the favor. That's why government banned the Chinese apps in India. So there is also some points that goes to the cons of this banning of Chinese apps in India. The first thing is that if that the banning or eliminating competitor is not a good idea for the healthy competition. Uh, we know that the in India our industries have a little bit poor qualities as compared to the foreign industry, we are lacking in a little bit qualities. So after banning, there is a boom of several Indian apps, but Indian apps were facing some problems, such as we know that in TikTok there is around 72 millions of TikToks, but there are apps which is similar like to the TikTok. Actually, the Indians startup made the app, but they were unable to manage that much amount of data, because uh, the app whose download from the Play Store was 1 lakh, within 1 or 2 days it goes to the 1 crore. So the startups were facing the problem due to the sudden rise of the download, sudden rise of increase of the users. So this is the problem faced by the startup. So also tech expert argue that the apps that were banned, so these apps fetched data already before banning, means that what data they required, they already fetched the data they wanted. So these are some cons of the bans of Chinese app in India. Also, there are numerous Indian startup such as Swiggy, Ola, etc. That are funded by the Chinese companies, Chinese investors. So it may affect the India-China relation, and finally it may affect the investing of the startups such as Ola, Swiggy, etc. And finally, and one thing also I want to add that after banning the several apps, there is a closure of local offices of the apps. So it is somewhat a little bit related to the unemployment issue. And this is a point from my side. So I want to conclude. I will conclude later. So another participants, please proceed with their opinion.
Okay, Mangulam, thank you for adding a wonderful points you added. You have focused point on the international matter of the security purpose for banning the Chinese app and uh, the impact of unemployment in job. Okay, so I put my point on Chinese app banned in India. So in India, the Chinese app banned about 224 apps banned. These apps are widely used in India because a lot of apps are used. A lot of Chinese apps are used in India, but India has only banned 224 because the reason behind it, they are stealing the data from our country, and they sold them, and they sold them to the various IT industries, and the IT industries got the industries use the data uh, and steal money from their accounts, and these are the things what happened from the Chinese app. So these apps are include the apps mainly the apps are TikTok, PUBG, Cam Scanner, and the most useful app, the most used in India app, that is UC browser. uh, UC browser, it is a browsing app. It is the second largest browsing app in India, and this is also banned in India. This move by government of India has uh, come after a tension between our country relation between China and China and India. that is the line of actual control, and there are some pros of the there are some uh, pros of Chinese apps banned in India. That is national integrity. National integrity. That means uh, a big boost to morale of our brave hearts who are guarding our borders day and night. This is the fact. And the another thing is user privacy. Uh,
Hello, Rajiv. Your voice is not clear.
Rajiv, I think there is network issue from at your end. So yes, yes, there is network issue at your end. So please mute yourself and you will get yes, yes. So I think Rajiv is left due to network instability. So Vivek, would you like to proceed?
I return.
Okay, Rajiv,
My deck.
I think you should continue later. There is some network. So, Vivek, please.
Okay, continue on another participant.
Thank you, Mangalam ji, giving me opportunity to conclude with our friends. Um, our today topic is Chinese app ban in India. Lots of problem in India and China between them because they are neighbor country, and some issue are every time is created. At a time some issue is created, then both are a different issue, but the main reason is banned in India. China app approx 267 app in banned in India because they are hack users details and buy the others IT company, and then they give some money, and they give some money. They are main reason to ban in India. It's this company is very popularity gain to achieve all information of India, and then there are some details gaining and giving, and they are maximum profit gain this this information. They are main reason this ban in India. Like as lots of app ban like Kawaii app, Bead Map, Scanner, PUBG, and lots of app banned in India. But some app are useful for India because a scanner is very useful. TikTok very useful because TikTok that app lots of people in India are see in live in TikTok. They